send in your homemade birthday cards. Find out how. Visit SproutOnline.com now. And on your birthday, watch the Sunny Side Up show and see your card may be read live on TV. Plus, go to SproutOnline.com and take a peek. Every single birthday card is posted each week. We can't wait to celebrate, so don't delay. Send in your August birthday cards today. Happy birthday to you. Go away, Sprout. We'll be right back.
Who's that? Hi. 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 Who is it? Is it you? What are you doing? Walk over here. We want to see you walking. Come on. Come on. You can walk over here. You can do it. Boom! Bang, bang, bang. I want to see you walk. I know you can crawl. Hi. Hi. Let's see you walk over here.
We used to have insurance for our family through my husband's employer.
But when I started my own business, we needed major medical coverage that we could afford on our own.
Then I heard about Assured Health. It only took a few minutes to qualify for $2 million of coverage that I can afford. And I'm not paying for benefits.
Keep walking. You can do it.
They even gave me a 15% discount just for your help.
A friend told us about Assured Health.
Watch where you're going.
For our family with $6 million of coverage with everything we wanted.
Watch where you're going.
Hospital stays.
Including outsourcing specialists without asking for permission.
Assured Health has been providing affordable health insurance.
Come on. You got it. You did it. Good job. You did it. Say hi, everybody. Who's that?